Hi everybody on YouTube. Yes, I am a guy in this video. Just give me a minute. I closed down my lyrics without meaning to. I have created a parody of Jack's Lament. I call it Seme's Lament. Yes, again, I am Nick here. So, here I go. There are few who deny what I do in the best, for my love is renowned far and wide. When it comes to FPS in the unlit room, I excel without ever even trying. With the slightest little effort of spreading my UK's legs, I have seen my UK give out a moan. Whoops, I'm sorry, I messed up. I have heard the UK give out a moan. With the lick of my tongue and a well-placed hickey, I have heard my young UK give out a groan. Yet night after night it's the same old banging, and I grow so weary of the sounds of begging. And I, Semi, the dominant, have grown so tired of the revolving UK's wet. Oh, somewhere deep inside of the UK, this emptiness began its way. But will I get some courage to see my one true UK who needs me? I'm a master of suck, and a demon of fuck, and I'll get you right out of those pants. I raped a guy in Kentucky, his nickname was Bucky, and I've raped most of England and France. And since I'm on top, I can lay right on them to make them really excited. No other man can shove dick like I can, with the UK help us to fight it. But who here would ever understand that the Sammy with his sexy grin would feel tired of revolving UKs if they only understood? He'd do only one if he only could. Oh, there's an empty place with these UKs that calls out for the Sammy. The UK's asses come night after night, does nothing for this loveless flight. Yeah, so that was my Jack's Lament parody, Seme's Lament. I gotta go. Later.